Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mohsin Ashraf and I am from Mining Engineering Department from UET Lahore. Today I am going to present you about minerals found in Pakistan. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Minerals found in Pakistan. So basically mineral is a solid inorganic substance made by nature having a definite chemical composition, and its formation of three types, that is igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. As you can see clearly in this picture, the rock cycle. Minerals can be of two types, that is metallic minerals that composed of metallic compound and non-metallic minerals that composed of non-metallic compound. So here are their example. So mineral resources of Pakistan. Pakistan is endowed with huge reserves of minerals, area of 6 lakh square kilometers, and there are 92 minerals known, out of which 52 are minerals are mined and processed in Pakistan. Pakistan has huge reserve of minerals, as you can see clearly the mineral map of Pakistan. So minerals of different provinces are Balochistan is the richest province in minerals. It has 80 to 85%, and rest of the minerals are in KPKS in Punjab. So important minerals of Balochistan are gold. So the biggest reservoir of gold in Balochistan, that is of 5.9 billion tons of ore grading, and copper is also present in Balochistan in Rikodik Chagir district. Coal and chromite are also present in Balochistan. Coal of 217 million tons, that measures reserve of over 52 million tons. And chromite, Pakistan has world largest reserve of chromite, and its natural resources is found in Muslim Bagh, Chagi, Kharan, Malakand and North Waziristan. Sindh has the largest reservoir of coal. As you can see clearly the locations of coal found in Sindh. Sindh also has china clay and oil and gas reservoir in it. Important minerals found in KPK, that is of gypsum and chromite. Minerals found in KPK are also limestone and marble. Marble is very beautiful here because of its quality and softness and color. Most important mineral of Punjab is iron ore, that is found near the Chinnor. And the at last world largest mineral mine is, that is mineral salt mine, and has been mined through their 320 BC. The Kyoda salt mine are among the world's oldest and biggest salt mine. There are also gems and precious stones in Pakistan that is being mined in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and their export is of $200 million, as you can see clearly in the picture. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.